Good day everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've posted anything, been kind of busy, but this is our fresh build 1990 Chevrolet short box step side 4x4 ground up restoration. Pretty much everything new. She turned out basically perfect. We had a couple small little things to button up on, but yeah, so we did a LS3 hot cam in this truck. We did the four-wheel disc brakes, vented disc front, did a rear backup camera, factory OE hitch, new decal. The thing is pretty much like new. So we're pretty excited to get this one done. We're gonna head to World of Wheels here in just a few days with this truck and a couple others. So if you're up in Canada, be cool to see you all there. We got one of these AZA leather wrap steering wheels out of the States. Looks good. We got this cargo light switch from RZ Lights out of the States as well. These are the Holly floor mats, OE repops. So they look good, correct? We had these wheels refinished. Oh, I forgot to wipe these off, sorry. Had these wheels all refinished. Had to get this center bore milled out, and that's a 2016 Camaro SS center cap. Because you cannot, well, I could not find a factory center cap for those things, so yeah. So anyways, we got that all wrapped up. RPM Performance out of Lethbridge, Alberta did this LS wiring kit for us, got it all running for us and plumbed in. It looks really good. They made the intake themselves, looks nice. We painted it, but yeah, she's a pretty sweet unit. We got a few things to button up. AC we got to get working, and a final tune on the truck. Electric fans, thing's awesome. We got the Dakota digital gauges in it. Everything's new, bumpers, grill, lights, etc, etc, etc. The truck truly turned out amazing. We're quite excited about this one. It's a good friend of mine. We did this truck for him, but everything's new. Like, it looks amazing. And pretty much a nut bolt. Tore this thing right down to nothing. Re-dyed all the plastic inside. Got this new decal from Phoenix Graphics out of the States. So yeah, it's a pretty amazing truck. If you guys want, share, like, and subscribe. We got a few more of these cool projects coming out the door here at Fine Tune Customs in sunny Claresholm, Alberta. Thank you. Talk to you later.